Hello everyone. Let us see a few multiple choice questions on the topic biology from General Science. Question 1. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the lysosome? Options are Option A. It is a membrane bound organelle found in the plant as well as in animal cells. Option B. It is also called the suicidal bag of the cell. Option C. It helps in the synthesis of protein. Option D. It acts as a dispatch station of protein products received from the endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is Option D. It acts as a dispatch station of protein products received from the endoplasmic reticulum. Now a few words on lysosome. Lysosome is a membrane-bound organelle. They are also called suicide bags because in case of disturbance of their cellular metabolism, they digest their own cell by releasing own enzymes. Though lysosomes are not commonly found in plant cells, but some plant cells do contain lysosomes. Question number 2. Which among the following plant is used as a green manure? Options are wheat, sun hemp, cotton, rice. The correct answer is sun hemp. Sun hemp is used as a green manure. Sun hemp as a green manure is needed to be plowed in 2 months after sowing when the plants begin to flower, as it decomposes more rapidly and it will have a positive N balance at this stage. Question number 3. Least generative power is a feature of which among the following cells of human body? Options are Option A brain, Option B bones, Option C skin, Option D liver. The correct answer is Option A brain. The human brain is a central organ of a human nervous system and with the spinal cord makes up the central nervous system. It is considered to have the least generative power. Question number 4. Chronic exposure to which among the following minerals or salts in groundwater may cause blackwood disease? Options are Option A fluoride, Option B nitrates, Option C arsenic, Option D lead. The correct answer is Option C arsenic. The blackwood disease is caused by exposure over a period of time to the arsenic in drinking water. It may be also due to intake of arsenic via food or. Question number 5. Which among the following blood protein regulates the amount of water in plasma? The options are globulin, Option B albumin, Option C fibrin, Option D fibulin. The correct answer is Option B albumin. Albumin is an energy storage protein and is also important osmoregulator of blood. Question 6. Who among the following is considered to be the father of antiseptic surgery? Options are Option A Dr. Linnaeus Pauling, Dr. Joseph Lister, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur. The correct answer is Option B Dr. Joseph Lister. Dr. Joseph Lister was a British surgeon and a pioneer of antiseptic surgery. His research into bacteriology and infections in wounds raised his skillful operative technique that was similar to his peers. Question number 7. Which among the following is correct about B group vitamins? Options are most of them are organic acids, most of them are water soluble, most of them are synthesized in the body, all are correct. The correct answer is most of them are water soluble. B vitamins are a class of water-soluble vitamins that play important roles in cell metabolism. B vitamins are found in highest abundance in meat. The dietary supplements containing all 8 are referred to as vitamin B complex. Question number 8. Amino acids join together to make polypeptides. What polypeptides makes by joining together? Options are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, all of the above. The correct answer is Option D, proteins. Proteins are made up of chains of amino acids bound by bonds called peptide bond. There are some 22 different known amino acids which can compose proteins. There may be many more unknown to us. Question number 9. MON 863 is a genetically engineered variety of which among the following? Options are option A soybean, option B maize, option C rice, option D tomato. Correct answer is option B maize. MON 863 is a genetically engineered variety of maize produced by Monsanto. Question number 10. In which among the following parts of the alimentary canal the renin enzyme is secreted? The options are option A stomach, option B mouth, option C pancreas, option D duodenum. The correct answer is option A stomach. Renin, which is also known as chymosin, is a proteolytic enzyme related to pepsin that is synthesized by chief cells in the stomach of some animals. Its role is in digestion to curdle or coagulate milk in the stomach. Question number 11. A person develops resistance to the action of insulin in the body cells. It is called as dash. The options are A. Type 1 diabetes, B. Type 2 diabetes, C. Hybrid diabetes, D. None of the above. The correct answer is type 2 diabetes, option B. A person develops resistance to the action of insulin in the body cells. It is called type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a lifelong disease and it prevents your body from using insulin the way it should be using. Question number 12. Which of the following kingdom represents bacteria? The options are option A Monera, option B Protista, option C Protozo, option D Metazo. The correct answer is option A Monera. The Monera kingdom contains unicellular organisms with a prokaryotic cell organization like bacteria. They are single-celled organisms. And the taxon Monera was first proposed by a phylum by Ernst Haeckel in 1866. Question number 13. Polycythemia is a disease related to, the options are red blood cells, white blood cells, blood serum, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, red blood cells. Polycythemia is a disease related to red blood cells. It refers to an increase in the number of red blood cells in the body which cause the blood to be thicker and which increases the risk of health issues such as blood clots. Question number 14. Down syndrome is also known as, options are option A Edwards syndrome, option B Pato syndrome, option C Mongolism, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C Mongolism. Down syndrome is also called as trisomy 21. It is a genetic disorder. It is caused by the presence of all or part of a third copy of chromosome 21. It is most common chromosome abnormality in humans. It is typically associated with delay in the cognitive ability. That means mental retardation or a physical growth of a person with the Down syndrome. Question number 15. Which among the following clearly describes a silverfish? Options are A. Fish, B. A wingless insect, C. An arthropod, D. A frog. The correct answer is B. A wingless insect. A silverfish known as Lepisma sacrania is a small primitive wingless insect in the order Cygnetoma. It is silvery light grey in color and fish-like appearance of its movements. Question number 16. Rumen is a part of dash. Options are option A stomach, option B small intestine, option C large intestine, option D liver. The correct answer is option A stomach. The rumen, which is also known as a paunch, forms the larger part of the reticulorumen, which is the first chamber in the alimentary canal of animals. Hence, it is a part of the stomach. Question number 17. Which among the following cells is capable to develop in any of the type of cell? The options are endothelial, endodermal, stem, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, stem. A stem cell is a cell with the unique ability to develop in any of the type of cell. In the future, they may be used to replace cells and tissues that have been damaged or lost due to diseases. Question number 18. The reverse osmosis is the process of forcing a solvent from a region of high solute concentration through a membrane to a region of low solute concentration by applying pressure on dash. The options are option A, concentrated solution, option B, dilute solution, option C, membrane, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, concentrated solution. This process requires a high pressure to be exerted on the high concentration side of the membrane. Question number 19. Which among the following is not a monosaccharide? The options are glucose, sucrose, fructose, lactose. The correct answer is option B, sucrose. These are a simple carbohydrate molecules that cannot be broken down into smaller molecules of other carbohydrates. The glucose and fructose are examples of monosaccharides. Question number 20. Efforts of which of the following scientists led the Government of India to set up Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics? The options are Dr. Lalji Singh, Samir K. Brahmachari, option C, Professor M. Vijayan, option D, Kannuri Venkata Subba Rao. The correct answer is option A, Dr. Lalji Singh. Director of the Center of Cellular and Molecular Biology since 1998, Singh is best known for developing a unique way of DNA fingerprinting that had been accepted by Indian courts as valid forensic evidence. Question number 21. Sexual cannibalism is a concept in which the female kills the male after mating and is normally found in dash. Options are dragonfly, option B spider, option C honeybee, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B spider. In honeybee, the male itself dies after copulation. Sexual cannibalism is common in many families of spiders and scorpions. Question number 22. In which of the following branches of science, study of functions, characteristics and phenomena observed in the living world and the application of this knowledge to the world of machine is studied? The options are biometry, option B bionics, option C bionomy, option D bionymy. The correct answer is option B bionics. Bionics or biologically inspired engineering is the application of biological methods combined with engineering. It is that branch of science which studies the functions, characteristics and phenomena observed in the living world and the application of this knowledge to the world of machine. Question number 23. Which among the following conditions will give birth to fraternal twins? Options are option A. A single egg is fertilized to form one zygote which then divides into two separate embryos. Option B. Sperm cells fertilize both the ovum and second polar body. Option C. Two eggs are independently fertilized by two different sperm cells. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Two eggs are independently fertilized by two different sperm cells. Fraternal twins are also called as discotic twins. In this type of pregnancy, two eggs are independently fertilized by two different sperm cells. These types of twins may be of the same or different sexes. Question number 24. Which among the following bacterial cells are found in cubical packets? Options are tetracocci, option B streptococci, option C staphylococci, option D Sarcinae. The correct answer is option D Sarcinae. The Sarcinae is a gram-positive cocci bacteria. They are found in water and soil, and they can thrive in very low pH environment. These are arranged in cubical pockets. Question number 25. Which among the following is not a beverage plant? Options are option A, Camellia sinensis, option B, Theobroma cacao, option C, Coffee arabica, option D, Alonso grandiflora. The correct answer is Alonso grandiflora. The Alonso grandiflora is an ornamental plant, not a beverage plant. Question number 26. Hodophobia is a fear associated with which of the following? Options are option A sleeping, option B walking, option C traveling, option D running. The correct answer is option C traveling. Hodophobia is referred to as a travel phobia or fear of travel. Some people are afraid to leave home while others fear certain forms of transportation. It can be overcome by a mixture of therapy and actions you can take. Question number 27. Which of the following plants have respiratory roots? The options are option A marshy plants, option B mangroves, option C epiphytes, option D submerged hydrophytes. The correct answer is option B mangroves. Respiratory roots are found in aquatic plants and plants which grow on marshy areas. In mangroves, the roots are not getting sufficient oxygen and hence they grow upward from the ground. Question 28. Global Fund to Fight AIDS, Tuberculosis and Malaria, commonly called the Global Fund or GFATM, was established in which year? Options are 1999, 2000, 2002, 2004. The correct answer is option C, 2002. The Global Fund to Fight AIDS, Tuberculosis and Malaria, commonly called as the Global Fund or GFATM, is an international financing and partnership organization. It is designed to accelerate the end of AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria as epidemics. Question number 29. Which among the following vitamins is involved in the breakdown of energy molecules such as glucose? The options are option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B, option C vitamin C, option D vitamin D. The correct answer is option B vitamin B. The vitamin B is involved in the breakdown of energy molecules such as glucose. Vitamin B are a class of water-soluble vitamins which play an important role in cell metabolism. Question number 30. Which among the following is the only internal human organ which can regenerate? The options are option A pancreas, option B kidney, option C liver, option D spleen. The correct answer is option C liver. Liver is the only internal human organ which can regenerate. It detoxifies various metabolites, synthesizes proteins, and produces biochemicals which are necessary for digestion and growth. Thank you.